Amazed they let it go through Tokyo like that.
I know. Doing the go-kart. The tutorial is a little intimidating, but these little carts are no joke. They go fast and they don't brake very fast.
I got Laura with his hat on.
It's not over yet. Crazy traffic. So many people. What do you think?
That was great. What a way to see Tokyo.
Those things are scoot.
They-
I was shocked how fast it went and then how not responsive they were.
Amazed they let it go through Tokyo like that.
I know. Yeah, because there's so many people and so much traffic.
Amazing.
Totally worth it.
Great time.
Yeah, great time.